Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to create an aesthetic sidebar menu in Notion that's perfect for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a stylish and functional navigation bar that makes moving around in your Notion workspace a pleasure. No more messy pages or getting lost in tabs. Let's jump right in. First, let's set up our layout with columns. In Notion, having a sidebar means arranging content side by side. To start, click anywhere on your blank Notion page and type a /, then column. You'll see the Create Columns option pop up. Go ahead and select it. Drag a block to the right until you see a blue line appear, then drop it. That's how you create a second column. The reason we need columns is so we can keep our menu visually separated from the content. It's like giving your workspace its own little navigation panel. With your columns ready, let's make the sidebar useful by adding a database in the second column. Type database and choose one, like a simple table view or gallery view, whatever fits your style. This is helpful if you want quick access to notes, trackers, or projects next to your menu. Having a database right in your sidebar isn't just about looks, it's about efficiency. You can check things off, update info, or access ongoing tasks without hunting through multiple pages. It's like having your own personal command center right on the side. Now let's create the menu header, which is the heart of your sidebar. In the first column, type /callout to bring up a callout block. This little block is perfect for titles because it stands out with a background color and an icon. Think of it like the sign above a shop. It tells you where you are and adds visual appeal. Click on the callout icon to change it to something that matches your vibe, maybe a little sparkle or a notebook emoji. Then customize the background color if you want a softer or bolder look. You can also adjust the text, maybe writing "my sidebar menu" or something uniquely yours. Okay, now let's populate your navigation bar. Just below your callout header, start adding pages by typing page. Each one can represent a section of your Notion workspace, maybe daily tasks, content ideas, reading list, or whatever suits your needs. The beauty of this method is that everything in your Notion is only a click away, organized in a visually pleasing way. Take a moment to add custom icons to each of these page links. Click where the default icon appears, or if there's none, click Add Icon and pick something that fits. Maybe a notepad for daily tasks, a book for reading list, a light bulb for ideas. These little touches do more than just look nice. They make navigation faster since you can recognize sections at a glance. Think of it like the labels on drawers or color-coded folders on your desk. And just like that, you've created an aesthetic, beginner-friendly sidebar menu in Notion. Don't worry if your sidebar looks a bit empty right now. Once you start filling in those pages with your content, it'll quickly become the place you go to organize your projects in life. Remember, customizing Notion is all about making it work for you. Play around with icons, page names, and database types until it feels just right. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Notion tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.